Good day, everyone, and welcome to your Math in a Class. We learn math with SAS, and today we're on subtracting integers. I know you would say it would be a difficult task, and I've seen those faces already from my kids when I told them we'll be having subtracting integers. But don't you worry, I am going to give you an easy way out so that you will be successful in doing this. So, when we do subtracting integers, I'll ask my kids to do first the KCF. So what do we mean by KCF? KCF is just an acronym, and K stands for keep. So when we say keep, that means you are going to retain. So since we are in math, so we're referring to a number. So we will retain a number. Let's go ahead and find out what C. Well, C stands for change. Okay? Change. So when we say change, you did something, you replace it, you put something else in there, you replace it, you tweak it. How about F? F stands for flip. So when you say flip, you turn it over, so you're getting the other side, like tossing it, so it's flipping. So that's KCF, and that would be our first step. So let's have the first one here. What I have is 4 minus -5. Remember, we do first KCF. So first is we are going to keep. What are we going to keep? That would be our first term. What's our first term? That's 4. So we keep 4. We keep 4. So we'll just write it 4. Next is to change. What needs to be changed? We apply C. Of course, we now need to change the operation. So from subtraction sign, we change it. So what's the opposite of subtraction? It's simply addition. So we put there the addition sign. So we keep 4. We change our operation sign, the subtraction sign, into addition sign. Last step is to make a flip. What will be flipped? We are going to flip -5. So once we flipped it, we get the other side. And what's the other side of -5? It's just +5. So we have here +5. So from 4 minus -5, since we apply the first step, which is KCF, it turns now to 4 plus 5. And we will now apply the rules of addition. Easy, right? So what's 4 plus 5? It's as easy as pie. So we got here 9. So if we are asked, what's 4 minus -5? Well, actually, it's what? +9. There you go. Easy. How about this one? We got 4 minus 5. Notice all of our numbers are positive. So again, you can always apply the first step, which is KCF, before you are going to go ahead and do the second step, which is to follow the rules of addition. So keep, that's our first step. We change the operation sign, and then we flip the second term here. So we keep +4. So I'm going to write 4 here. We change the operation sign. So from subtraction sign, it will now become addition sign. +5. So what's the flip of +5? The flip is just the opposite. That would be -5. Okay? Now apply the rules of addition. When I say apply the rules in addition, I'm referring to what we had before, the steps that we have in adding integers. And we know that these given here has 2 different signs, a +4 and a -5. Let's go back to that one really quick. So when we add integers with different or unlike signs, all we have to do is to subtract the numbers and get the sign or carry the sign of the bigger number. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll subtract 5 minus 4. That would give me 1. All right. And what would be my sign here? Again, bigger number. Take the sign of the bigger number. So here, I know 5 is bigger than 4. So I'll take the sign of 5, which is negative. So when I'm going to give the answer for 4 minus 5, what's my answer? That would be simply negative 1. Next. So again, apply the first step. What's my first step? That would be applying KCF. K, C, F. You keep, you change, you flip. Okay? So here, we keep negative 4. We change the operation sign. So subtraction sign would become addition sign. Flip the second term, which is positive 5. So what's the flip of positive 5? That would be negative 5. So now we have negative 4 plus negative 5. Let us go ahead and revisit our rules or steps when we are going to add like signs. So here, when we are going to add integers with like signs, you add the numbers and carry the common sign. Easy. So let's add now the numbers. So what's 4 and 5? You are correct. That would give me 9. And what would be my sign? Both have negatives. So I'll have negative 9. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. So when we are going to subtract integers, we need to remember first, our first step is to do KCF. K stands for keep, C for change, and F for flip. What's our next step? We will then follow the steps in adding integers. And that's it. Really quick. So if you like this video, guys, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much.